Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and excuse my appearance, I'm about to get ready. I look a mess. But I kind of want to come on and do like a little mini get ready with me. And just tell you about how my life is going right now. I had a really rough day yesterday. My car did not want to start after I got like on my lunch break and I was at my apartment. So I couldn't go to work for half the day, which is half a point because I called them. It would have been a full point if I didn't like show up. But yeah, thankfully it's resolved. I was scared it was the alternator again because if any of you guys have a 2014 Dodge Charger, you know that there's a recall on the alternator like a couple years ago, and I got that replaced and it was acting the same, but it was just the battery, thank God. But the battery was $168. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I got new glasses though, and they're pretty swaggy. Oh my gosh, have you guys heard the word swag in like 5 years? I fucking haven't. But yeah, my contact is like not cooperating today, my left eye. I don't know what's going on. But I just want to come on here and just chit chat and get stuff done. I'm sorry if I sound like congested and like I can't breathe. It's because I can't, and I am congested because the weather outside is awful. Very humid, not good for someone like me that already struggles with breathing. It's just gross. I'm doing tiny eyebrows today because fuck it, why not? This will probably be the last time I do blue eyebrows for a minute because I am doing half black and half something else. I don't know yet. I'm thinking either orange or pink, but I'm not sure. I was gonna do rainbow, but I'm trying to save money because of my car. And then I am going to Houston for a trip for my sister, which, you know, is gonna be fun. It's for her birthday. We're going to see, what's her name, In This Moment. So I'm really excited for that. Megan is too. Of course she is. It's her favorite band. It just sounds like an all-around good time. Yeah, if you guys are ever wondering what I do for my brows, because I know a lot of people are like, what glue do you use? I use this, it's called Ultra Easy Eyeliner by Kiss. I want to say it's in turquoise. Well, it's this color. There's not really a name on it. I use that, and then I use the Electric Press Pigment Palette by Urban Decay. This is really old. I don't know if they have it anymore, to be honest, but they might. Who really knows? But yeah, that's how my life's been going. I'm also trying to grow back like this part of my eyebrow since I'm gonna have black hair on this side. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows mostly dark anyway. So I want them back because it's gonna look weird without it. And that was an accident anyway, actually shaving half of my eyebrow off. I didn't really mean to do that, but it happened. Ooh, also update about my job. I thought this one guy was really cute and I thought we really hit it off, and then I found out he has a wife and I'm sad about it, and he's like also like 39. So for those of you who don't know, I am 22 and 39 is a pretty big jump. I don't think I want to date a 40-year-old because my dad is like 52, 51, so it's pretty weird. Also, yesterday when all that car stuff was going on, I hit my fucking face with the car door. Don't ask me how. I just did it. I don't know why. I feel like I'm coming out of like this is TMI, but like my mental health is kind of declining at the moment, which is nothing new, as you guys know. I think I'm just getting out of a manic episode is what's going on. So I'm trying to reserve some of my serotonin by doing my makeup and trying to get out. I'm going to go see my grandpa's grave because I left some flowers on there last week and I'm sure they're probably dead by now, and it's raining here, so they're probably gross. I'm going to go put some new fresh ones on there. Just, you know, give me an excuse to go see him every week. But yeah, my mom is coming. She wants to see where her grandparents are buried because apparently my grandpa and her grandparents are buried in the same cemetery, which I think is like a crazy coincidence, but yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do eyeliner today. I probably am. I can't even see the monitor because it's so far away, and my contact is like not having it. If any of you are wondering what I'm drinking, it's a it's supposed to be a oatmeal shaken espresso venti, but I don't know. It doesn't taste the same as what it normally does. It's a little bit darker, but I like it. It tastes like coffee. Any coffee is good coffee. Also, excuse my manners. I like talk with my mouth full all the time. I guess I'm gonna do eyeliner because I look dead today. I'm glad I have to wear a mask everywhere because fucking hell, my face looks so bad and beaten up. But yeah, I'm probably gonna upload twice this week, or if not, save my other video that I'm planning to do, the hair video, for next week. I'm so sorry my uploads have been very sparse and not well put together. I've been stressing. My new job's not really demanding, but when I come home, I feel like I exert more energy there than I did at my previous job. So it's just a big adjustment for me to get through that, and I can't really do elaborate videos until I get my gaming setup that I'm saving for up. So I don't know. I have an editing software that I pay for monthly. That's really nice, but can't use it unless, like, I can use it on my phone, but like it can just add clips together. It's not like I could sit there and try to edit it, but sometimes it like gives out, and I don't want to edit something and then it like fizzle out on me, you know? But yeah, it's just where I'm at right now with all the editing and stuff. I want to do more elaborate videos. Like this next one I'm doing is probably going to be a little bit more elaborate. I'm just coloring my hair though, to be honest, but I'm gonna have to fast forward it and all that and cut some shit out because I'm bleaching my roots on one side. But yeah, this side is gonna be black because this was the rainbow side last time and it's pretty dead and thin. And then this side is going to be either the pink or the orange. I don't think I'm gonna do orange because the only orange I have is Eero, and I heard that the pink was hard to get out, so I'm scared that the orange would be too hard to get out, and my hair just can't take any more abuse because after this I'm gonna go to rainbow on this side and get some clip-ins, but I'm trying to save up some money right now, so that's why I'm not doing that, because $50 for the hair color I like to use for rainbow, like for all 5 shades, which isn't bad because that's like $5, I mean that's like $10 a jug, and then $200 for the extensions that I feel comfortable with putting in my hair. So yeah, there's a lot that goes into it, and I'll make a whole video doing the rainbow process because a lot of people asked me last time I had rainbow how I got it, so I for sure will record that. It just takes me like 3 hours. With extensions taped in, it's probably gonna take a whole lot longer, which I'm not really looking forward to, but you know, beauty is pain. I made this eyeliner too straight across, so I'm gonna have to make that one straight. I just really can't see on my left eye. That's what's going on right now. But yeah, other than that, I've been fine. Just struggling with being adult and budgeting things because I've never had like a decent enough income to be able to like budget for things I like. So that's what's going on. But yeah, I'm pretty much done. I just need to smoke out my lower lash line, and yeah, it doesn't take me that long to do my makeup. I like to just add a pop of color every once in a while. Sometimes I don't even do my eyeliner, especially if I'm going to work, because sometimes I have to take orders out to cars. And fun fact, one time my eyeliner just dripped, like straight up dripped all over the place after I dispensed to a second car, the second car of the day, and they're like, "Are you okay?" Because I had black eyeliner running in my eye, and I was like, "Yeah, I'm fine," but it was burning, so I wasn't fine. They ask you how you are and you're not fine. That, whatever, I forgot what meme that is. Who was that? It was a pop star. Demi Lovato, I think. But yeah, I'm sorry if I'm cross-eyed. I like literally can't see. I'm gonna have to take out this contact and put it back in. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna put on mascara real quick. If you guys like my channel, if you guys want to see more hair stuff, more thrifting videos, more mental health updates, please like and follow and hit that bell icon. The bell icon lets you know anytime I put up a new upload, or it should. Some people say it doesn't do its job, but you know what? Hit it just to be safe. Maybe it will one day. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. It's crazy that I already have like 60 subscribers on this account, because my old account, it took me like 5 years to get 300, but that's because I only upload like once a month. But yeah, it just means a lot to me. I just like talking to you guys in the comments. So if you guys have any questions, concerning comments, want to talk to me, I'm always responding to everyone as long as you're nice, you know. I'll probably respond to you too if you're mean, and then I'll cry about it later. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Next time you'll see me with a way different hair color, and you know what? I'm excited about it. I hope you guys are too. Bye-bye.